Dear students, welcome to my YouTube channel Ganit Shiksha. As this channel is based on mathematics, so here you will get all the latest updates and more important discussions related to mathematics. Today I am here to discuss with you about most important MCQs and its solutions from the chapter Lines and Angles of class 9 CBSE board mathematics. So before to start, those who have not subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe it and hit the bell icon for upcoming latest updates. And I request to all of you, please see the full video, otherwise you will miss more important discussions of this chapter. So let's start today's video. Question number 1. Value of x in the given figure is, and you have the 4 options. Let's see the answer. Answer is 40 degree. Why is it? You know that sum of the opposite interior angles is equals to exterior angles. So 60 degree plus x is 100 degree. So x is 40 degree. So answer is B, that is 40 degree. Question number 2. If AB equal to x plus 3, BC equal to 2x and AC equal to 4x minus 5, then for what value of x B lies on AC? So you need to find the value of x and you have 4 options. Answer is option D, that is 8. Okay, so why is it? Because B lies on AC. Therefore, AB plus BC is AC. So x plus 3 plus 2x equals to 4x minus 5. So 3x plus 3 equal to 4x minus 5. So by siding you will get x equals to 8. So option D, 8 is your answer. Question number 3. You can see the figure is given. You need to find the value of x. And you have the 4 options. Let's see its answer. Answer is B, that is 50 degree. Why is it? You can see the 3 angles formed on a straight line. The sum of these 3 will become 180 degree. And if you take the sum of these 3 angles, you will get 3x plus 30 degree. So 3x plus 30 equals to 180. So from there x equals to 50 degree. So option B, x equals to 50 degree is the answer. Question number 4. The given figure, if the angles A and B are in the ratio 2:3, then the angle C is. You need to find the angle C. So you have the 4 options. So let's see its answer. Answer is C, that is 140 degree. 144 degree, that is the option C is your answer. You have A is to B is 2:3. So you can consider A is to B equals to 2:3, that is 2x and 3x, both the values of A and B, and A plus B is 90 degree. So 2x plus 3x, that is 5x equals to 90 degree. So x equals to 18 degree. So A equals to 2 into 18, that is 36 degree, and B equals to 3 into 18, that is 54 degree. So you need to find the angle C. So that is A plus C is 180 degree. So from there 180 minus 36 equals to 144 degree. So you get answer C, 144 is your answer. Question number 5. In the figure P parallel Q, and you need to find the value of x. Here 2x and 70 degree, 2 angles as given. You need to find the value of x and you have the 4 options. Answer is B, that is 55 degree. Why is it? You can see there is 2x and its vertically opposite, you can see, is the vertically opposite of 2x is the co-interior angle of 70 degree. So the sum of 2x plus 70 is 180 degree. So 2x equals to 110. So x equals to 55 degree. So answer B, 55 degrees is your answer. Number 6, you can see the figure is given and here AB parallel CD. You need to find the value of X and you have the 4 options. So let's see its answer. Answer is 45 degree, that is option A. Okay, that is option A. Why is it? Because angle ABE is 75 degree and its corresponding angle will be there where the parallel line CD cut B, and that is the exterior angle of the triangle. So 30 degree plus X equals to 75. So from there X equals to 45 degree. So option A is the answer. Number 7. The given figure PQ parallel RS and angle ACS equals to 127 degree. You need to find angle BAC and you have 4 options. So let's see its answer. Answer is option C, that is 77 degree. How is it? You can see ACS given 127 and also PAB is given 50 degree. You need to find BAC. So PAB plus BAC, that is whole angle PAC, is the alternate angle of ACS. So angle PAB plus BAC equals to 127. PAB is 50 degree. So angle BAC will be 127 minus 50 equals to 77 degree. That is option C. Number 8. In this given figure, if AOB is a line, then the measure of angle BOC, angle COD and angle DOA respectively are. You need to find the 3 angles that has marked as 2y, 3y and 5y. So you have the 4 options. So let's see its answer. Answer is option A. Why is it? You can see 2y, 3y and 5y, they 3 angles make a straight line. So their sum is 180 degrees. So 2y plus 3y plus 5y, that is 10y equals to 180 degree. So y is 18 degree. So the answers will be 2 into 18 36, 3 into 18 54, 5 into 18 90 degrees. So option A, 36 degree, 54 degree, 90 degree is the answer. Question number 9. A line joining 2 endpoints are called. A line joining 2 endpoints are called. You have 4 options. So let's see its answer. You can see the answer is option A, that is line segment. We know the definition of line segment. Line segment is a part of a line joining the 2 points, means the starting and ending points of a line is called a line segment. Number 10. If 2 lines intersect each other, then the vertically opposite angles are, and you have 4 options. 2 straight lines are intersecting, so vertically opposite angles will form and they will be, you need to find the answer. So let's see the answer. The vertically opposite angles are equal. You know this theorem, you have in the theorem that if 2 lines intersect each other at a point, then the vertically opposite angles so formed are equal. So this is the answer of the 10th question. So these are the most important 10 questions. Thank you for watching this, and if you like it, click on the like button and share it to your friends, groups and mates, as well as you need to write some important comments in the comment box. Thank you for watching.